Amazing. So on this other sub module this is the second step on the 3 steps to turn your Facebook profile into a machine that generates new leads organically. Right? So here we are actually going to be talking about building that trust and relationship with your audience, building that trust and relationship with your ideal client, because we really understand that, hey, the whole process, the whole sales process, according to my viewpoint, according to my analysis, according to all the research I've done, everybody focuses on these 3 aspects: building the know, like, and trust factor. Because, my friend, let me tell you just for free today, immediately you've built these 3 aspects, immediately someone knows you, immediately someone trusts you, immediately someone likes you, they are actually buying your product with no doubt. So the biggest problem most entrepreneurs usually do is they try to look for shortcuts. Let me put it in that way. They try to look for shortcuts, and they try to they try to don't follow this. This is like a roadmap to success, and most of the people don't try to follow these 3 steps, and you find that these people are not making sales. They're getting rejections, they're getting no's, and they're not getting people who are excited about their product, because the moment you're getting outside there, you're giving out a product to someone, and this is a product that really it solves my problem. And for example, like today, I was just looking for a software that I will use to record my videos easily, so that I may avoid a lot of editing and a lot of all that hard work, so that I may compose my time together and bring it together, so that I am able to get outside there and do more work. So if I could get a software that will help me edit, record, and do everything on my courses very, very easily, guess what? I'll buy it. And that's actually what happened. I found a system that helps me create my course, help me set my landing page, help me set my email automation, and help me set all these things. And guess what? I was all in. All right, regardless, I had the money or didn't have the money, I've already got a solution to my problem. So I'm going to be focusing on now, how can I be able now to raise up and come up with the amount of money that these people are asking me, so that I may get this product, because it's solving my problem. And that's exactly what you want to have in your mind. You know, doctors don't come into houses and start asking you if you're sick. You become sick and you go to look for your doctor. It's the same concept on sales. It's the same concept in marketing. It's just because most of us don't do marketing, we try and do the wrong way. So I just want to dive into my laptop. I want to share with you each and every step that you're supposed to be focusing on into details, giving you examples, and helping you really understand how can you really bridge this gap and build this know, like, and trust factor. This goes into the relationship part, right? So let me jump into my laptop right now. As you can see, we have gone through the first module, which is how to optimize your Facebook profile. I've just shown you some few steps. We'll be really talking more details on that. I've given you a course outline on how to optimize your Facebook profile. The second step will be how to build trust and relationship with your leads. Okay, I am sharing with you how to build a relationship with your leads. And then the third step on the chapter 1 will be how to drive free traffic. Okay, so I want us to jump into my Facebook account, and I want you to start, and I want us to go through an analytics of my Facebook. Okay, I want us to go through an analytics of my Facebook profile and look at different aspects. Why have I been able to do these different things, and why are they very important when it comes to your business? So the first thing you can see on my page, I have a very good, amazing, good looking cover photo. Why is it so important? This is your real estate when it comes to getting leads. This is what now attracts people who will really relate with your product and your brand and what you're selling. Your cover photo. So it's supposed to be positioned in a way that it's salesy, but it's not salesy. And how can you really be able to do this? It's through value provision, and not paid value, but free value. Right now you want to focus here on giving things for free. This is not where you start selling. this is not where you start selling. This is a base where you just want to connect with this top of funnel. So I'll give you an example here. In sales, we have top of funnels, we have bottom of funnel, we have middle of funnel, and then you have bottom of funnel. In the top of funnel section, we usually have all these kind of people who are jumping into your Facebook, who are interested, who you're marketing your product, you're building awareness. All these people are not targeted. You don't understand if these people really understand your product or they do not want it, right? So you're just trying to figure out who is this person who will get excited about my product and give out his or her credit card, or give out his or her money to buy my product. So that's where the top of funnels fall in. Then you get into the middle of funnel. Now, in the middle of funnel now, these are people from the broad marketing awareness that you've done. These are now people who are interested in getting into now buying your product. Now, not like actually not buying, but these are people who are interested in learning more about your product, get how it goes, learning more about your product. Then we have now the bottom of funnel. The bottom of funnel now, these are people who now are really ready, interested and excited to buy your product and to give out their credit card. So how are you able to use this funnel concept to build your business? Let's get back to my Facebook profile. So you on the top of funnel, you want to give out free value 100%. You can create free ebooks, okay? You can create free audios, you can create free videos, you can create just anything valuable for free that your prospect, when they come here, get in, they'll be able to see, wow, this is amazing. This is some really good, amazing free stuff. Then after that now, on your description sector, you're supposed to be addressing some of the problems and pains that your prospects are experiencing. For example, I want you to take a look here. I've been able to talk about turn your Facebook profile into a machine that generates new leads.
Thank you very much for taking your time to actually take a look at my channel. If this is your first time, always remember to hit that subscription button so that you may get updated to every content that I'll be sharing with you, because I'll be really focusing on helping you on a personal level to generate very highly qualified leads and grow your business. And hey, before you continue watching the amazing video that you're watching right now, I want to show you how I can give you some bonuses that I have prepared for you, some amazing trainings that I've prepared for you, and how can you really get access to this so that you may make that process faster, so that you may catalyze the process of actually scaling your business online. Hey, stick around with me and let me just walk you through the exact steps that you're supposed to take so that you may not miss these free amazing trainings and bonuses that I have for you. Great. So the first thing that you want to do is come here on my YouTube channel. I have a couple of videos that I've already made for you, but this is where I want you to focus on. It's on the video that you're watching right now. All you want to do is go down to the description and you will find these resources that I've already given for you. The first one is the hashtag one recommended way to make money from home. If you click here, it will be able to take you to a page just like this one that you'll be able to download this free ebook. And also, after you've downloaded that free ebook, that is if you want to really learn on different ways that I will really recommend you to start making money from home, you can come here, and this is the main site. This is my main site whereby I am sharing with you a couple of amazing trainings, and you can take a look at them. These are different challenges that are walking you through each and every step of 5 video series of high valuable content. I have my great mentors inside there, and these are some of the trainings that I personally used to be able to grow, to be able to really understand how I can be able to start generating thousands and thousands of leads online. And also, these are the same trainings that have helped me to top into my company's leaderboard. You can see there's the 5 days challenge, go for yes, there's the first posting for profit. This is all about content creation. You learn how to really create content that attracts high qualified people who are ready to take out their credit credit card and actually give out to you. The zero rejection marketing, I believe nobody really wants to have a lot of rejection. So this is an amazing 5 days challenge video series, and also I have a couple of free ebooks that will really help you out. You can find out the profile profit cheat sheet. You can also download the home business sponsoring secret. So this is some of the bonus that I really wanted to share with you. Just always remember also to hit that subscription button below, get into the description, click on the links that are there, and they will redirect you to these pages to be able to download your bonuses. I really appreciate you very much. If you're getting valuable content from this video, also remember to hit that subscription button, and also remember to share with your friends, remember to share with your teammates, and let's continue with the video.
Organically free ebook coming. Okay, so inside the next modules and inside the training, I'll really be able to show you how you can create your own free book, how you can create good graphics, and how you can create something of value depending on your niche, depending on your business, and depending on what you have on board. So on the description sector, do not make sure you are not selling. That's not the selling point. That's not where the sales start. Remember, all this process that you're doing, it's value provision, adding value to the marketplace. And the more you add value to the marketplace, the more you get paid. So what you want also now is to have, and your description should have these different parts, okay? Addressing your prospects' pains and problems, or your customers' pains and problems, and giving them a call to action. A call to action is now directing them. Maybe it's on your site, maybe it's on your landing page. Inside the course, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a free landing page that will help you collect leads 100% for free without paying any other money for software. So when we get now inside, and I want you also to remember this, when you're setting up your cover photo, you want to optimize it into 2 ways. You want to optimize it on user phone friendly and laptop phone friendly. That's why you see I've positioned my ebook here strategically and the download now button. It's to show, it also should have a call to action button that will really help you now direct your prospects from now. Hey, I've landed into your profile. What should I do next? Maybe I don't feel like scrolling into the feeds. All I want to do is go and check out something else. But the moment I have a call to action and I see, hey, this is where I'm supposed to go and download this free ebook, it becomes very easy for me now to check a link that is on your description. And that is why now your cover photo and description should really be related. And this is how now you start building your relationship now with your clients, with your customers, because now you want to take them from the top of funnel and you're driving them in to the bottom of funnel. Okay, so Facebook also have the about section here, whereby it describes who you are, where you're coming from, and some other stuff. So what I want us to focus here on is on the featured section. On the featured section, also you want to give out some free value inside there. Maybe you can create a free video talking about, hey, get my free cheat code on how you can get 10 to 50 leads a week on Facebook. Click here to download the video. Just create a good graphic. I'll be showing you how you can create good graphics using Canva, and then give them a call to action. The main thing is giving your client and prospects a call to action. So right here, you can see what you're doing here, and you can see what I'm doing on my page. I am not selling anything, and you can see now the mistake that you guys start making is you try to come here and you start selling from this point. And the moment you start selling from this point, life becomes very hard, because you get thousands and tons of rejections, okay, and tons of no's. So we have talked about the cover photo, we have talked about the description section. These are some of the things that will really help you out when it comes to build your relationship with your audience. You have talked about the featured section, and now I want us to take a look at the content. How can you really build engagement and build this trust factor when it comes now to the content? So here's a basic thing. People want to buy things from people they know first, okay? If I don't know you, I may buy something from you if I don't know you, but the conversion rate of me buying from someone I know, it's much higher than the person I don't know. So if you become very smart from your competitors when you try and make people know you, and when you're trying to make people know you, guess what? You don't want to start selling to them, because that's not how that's not how you want people to know you. You don't want people to know you as this salesy person. You want people to know you, hey, this is the person who is a guru in digital marketing. This is a person who is a guru in building online businesses. This is a person who is a guru when it comes in growing your business using Facebook. When someone knows you, that now they'll be able to see you as an expert, whereby you're able to guide them. So I want you to take a look at the structure and how I usually post. Okay, for example, you can see I'm asking my audience a question: how much will you pay for this Facebook marketing crash course? And I have my very good photo there. I have my face, I have my laptop, I have my ring light, and I'm showing these people there is something that is going on. On the second part, you can see it is a live video. So I will recommend your post to be coming from live to post. Live, post questions, live, post questions, live, post questions. And on your lives, what you're doing is you're giving more value. You're not selling anything here, guys. Remember, I want you to stop selling anything on your Facebook page, because that's not where the sales process goes on. The sales process happens when you are now getting in to building your landing page and to building your sales funnel. So let's meet on the next module. The next module will be speaking about how now to drive free traffic. I'll be sharing with you some different techniques, building up on the content strategies, and I'm sure you're getting value, and I'm so excited to see you in the course, and have a blessed time. Bye bye.